Hey guys, welcome back to the Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to discuss our next question, that is find pivot index. Okay, so this is the given array from an user input. Okay, and we need to find a pivot index. Okay. What is the pivot index in this particular question? Let's take this snap onto our open board. Okay, this is the pivot index definition. The pivot index is the index where the sum of all the numbers strictly to the left of index is equal to the sum of all the numbers strictly to the indexes right. In this question, the pivot index is this. So we need to make sure that sum of these elements should be equals to sum of these elements. That is, left sum is equal to right sum. 11 is equal to 11. So this is the pivot index here. Okay. So if we want to find the pivot index, we need to iterate over this loop. Okay. For iteration, and we need to optimize our solution also. So first, brute forcefully, if we find the sum on we are running the for loop on this and we know the idx and we are going to calculate the left sum. Again we are starting from right, and these are taking very much time, that is n again n. So we need to find this pivot index in O of n, means in one iteration. Okay, so we need to calculate sum of the array, that is 6 plus 5 11 plus 17 27 8 28, and the left sum and right sum. So we are now at first position. So the left sum is 0 and right sum is equals to 28. We have all the elements number here, all the elements sum at this point. Okay, we need first update this as -1 from here. So now we have sum at this point, all the right elements of this index. Okay, so first we need to update our r sum. After that we need to compare that. If it is same, then we return index. If it is not, then second will be compare, and third will be update left sum. So at this point we have left sum is 1, so we need to update that. Now left sum is 1 and we are at this position. First condition, update r sum. What is the updation? uh, uh, r sum minus array of I, r sum minus array of I, that is 20, and compare these two. Now again it is not true, that is it is not the equal. Then again add 7 into this in the left sum, that is 8, and now we have 20 here. Now we add this index, update r sum. Now -3 from 20, it is 17. Again check, compare it, not equals. Then again update this with 11. Now we have 17 here. Again update r sum, -6, that is 11. Compare it. Now it gives same equation, so it returns 3 from here. So left sum is equal, 11 is equals to 11, that is left sum is equals to right sum here. So this is the approach to solve this question. So I recommend you to pause the video and just code by yourself. And now we are starting with the code. Okay, so let's make this full screen. So for finding sum, we are initializing the sum as 0 for I is starting from 0. I is starting from 0. I is less than array dot length and I plus plus. Okay, now sum plus equals to array of I. After that we have sum of all the array. Now we are initializing left sum as 0 and int right sum as sum. At the first point, at the first index, we have all arrays of sum. Okay, and first after that we are starting iterating for a loop. For loop, I starting from 0, I is less than array dot length, I should be plus plus here. Okay, now first condition, update r sum. Second condition, compare same. And the last condition is update left sum also. Okay, so the r sum will be, we need to minus array of I from them. After minus, we need to compare them. Is r sum equals to, means left right sum is equals to left sum? If it is true, then we are returning index here, that means I. After that, left sum equals to plus equals to, we are updating this. If this is true, if this is not true, then we are update our left sum for the next iteration. Okay, so this is our code. Let's try it first. Try run. Let's try to run it first. It working fine. Yeah, submit it. So it is submitted. Let's try to dry run of this code from this point. So let's erase it first. Run it from this. Okay, now we are at first point. We are at first point. At this point, our left sum is 0 and right sum is 28. That is, sum is 28. Now we are at this position. First condition, first line, that is update r sum. First update r sum, that is array of I minus array of I, 27. Now checking that if these two are equal, no, then update this as a array of I plus array of I. Okay, now we are at this position. Now update first 27, that is 20. Compare it, comparing both, they are not equal, then update it also again, that is 8. Now again, first update the r sum, that is right sum, that is 17. Checking both, that is not equal, again update this with this. Now we are at third index, that is 17. Update r sum 11. If this is this r2, both are equal, yeah, both are equal, so we are returning 3 here, I. So this is our dry run for this question. So I hope you understand the question and the approach of this question and the solution. Thank you for watching.